Alright, well, very overcast, 30km/h wind southerlies, or southwesters are expected, so the fishing is going to be tough, I'm pretty sure. Well, the overcast conditions is great. Cicada fishing, however, is going to be a bit tougher. I am heading to a spot where I can hear cicadas, so that's a plus. So my first port of call is that, and then we're going to head along the bank, round the corner and into the protective bay, where it's only ever about 60 centimetres deep. So it's going to be pretty much exclusive topwater fishing in this video. We will be using Profishent cicadas, which is this guy here in the matte black. I've changed the back treble out to assist hooks rather than the back treble. Other things I'll be using, obviously I've got an Atomic one, and I've got my little MKG ones. I'll try and show them as I'm using them. I don't have any, I've got one MKG cicada left. Currently in the process of making some more. And we've got like a little diver type product as well, which I bought on clearance, so there's not much really to tell about that. It's just like a little prawn / squid imitation, and it probably only goes to about 50 centimetres, a foot, 2 foot deep, so which is perfect in these conditions. It is a full moon, so as everyone says, you don't catch fish on full moon, but when it's overcast and stuff like that, I think you're always in for a shot. And if you throw out a line, you're always in for a shot. Tides, got no idea. Barometric pressure, no idea. Do I ever pay attention to them? No, not really. Not unless, the only time I pay attention to tides if I want to go into a certain spot and I know I can't get in there in a low tide, or I can't get in there like because of a real high tide. Because some spots I go, you've got to get under bridges. Some other spots you've got to walk across mud, and yeah, it's not fun. So we're pretty much across to the other side, and hopefully you can hear those cicadas going. So my first port of call is start at the little ramp here, and we're just going to drift along the bank, and like I said, it's going to be topwater cicada and topwater MKG sugar pen imitations is what the point of call is. 1.2 metres deep already, and it gets very shallow in here, so I'll be back with the fish. This is my favourite scent to use. I have mucked around with different scents lately, and I keep coming back to S Factor, so it's got a UV reflective coating to it. On top of that, obviously it's got the scent, but it's got a hormone-based scent, so when fish grab it, they tend to hold on to it. There we go. Oh, straight away, look at that. Straight away. I haven't even got my other rod rigged up yet. It feels like I'm skull dragging it. Look at that, straight away. Here's a little, it's only a little tiker. He's barely just lipped. He's like a little 10-15 centimetre model. He was literally just looped. There you go. First Brimbo of the day. And what did I do? What did I do other than just cast it out there? I did absolutely sweet F all other than cast it out there. I'm just going to throw that in the back there. Other than cast that into the spot, I did nothing. When it's on with cicada fishing. Okay, the next cast is in between those two trees. Alright, I'll be back. Well, I don't know if I'm going to get that take, but wowzers, 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 wowzers. Come on, get out of there. That just got smacked at the top. I don't even know what that was. That just got absolutely annihilated. Come on. Get out of there. This has got some meat on it. Oh no, I think it's been crashed on the side again. It's not big, it's just foul hooked straight in the side. That's why it went so hard. It's a bit bigger than the last model. It's definitely foul hooked. So we'll just keep coming out, getting away from where we're going. Oh, he's decent. Compared to my last one, he's probably double it, or not quite double it. He's had an unfortunate day, hasn't he? He's had a very unfortunate day. First of all, bud, we'll get this one out of your there. And we'll try our best. There we go, bud. Don't say I don't do anything for you, mate. Right, what's he going? He's getting up there, 20. There we go. He smacked the hell out of that. I love fish like that. That smack it straight away. There's no time for mucking around. Well, second on the cicada, on that Profishent cicada. Just a tip with these cicadas. Oh, I just hooked myself. Like I said, S factor. The Profishent cicada that I'm using here, the $1 million barra competition, it's not got to do, the same company, Profishent, didn't catch the $1 million barra, but it actually caught one of the $10,000 barras. So there you go. Profishent Lures doing it for barra, doing it for cicadas. Yeah, they're doing really well. So I'm really happy with them. I do have my own as well, my own MKG ones, but when I haven't made them, these are probably as close as you're going to get to MKG ones. I haven't seen any else like this. The matte black one, mine's a more gloss black. So anyway, let's get back to fishing and hopefully we'll be back with some more. Oh, yep. Ah. Yep. Oh, yep, he's caught. He knows he's caught. He seems like a bigger model. Jesus. He's gulped that. Dude, you've got a problem. Oh, that's my third. 2 15s and that. That thing, when I was pulling it up, the whole cicada was in its mouth. It wasn't until I just put the net under it and lifted it up then that the cicada actually came out of his mouth. Did you see it hitting it? Like multiple times. Yeah, so I only started there, gone to here, and that's my third. So just plop the cicada in. Wow. He hit it like 3 times. Yeah. I saw a massive whiting go past before. I was so annoyed with myself. That's why I threw out the little stick bait behind me. But dude, oh dude. Pardon? Oh. Well, I've got no MKGs, so I'm using the Profishent ones. Look at the size of that boy. Oh, he engulfed that. I hope it shows up on the video how much he had that in his mouth. Because wow, I haven't seen one engulf it that much in a long time. So what's he going? Oh, he's 25. Every day of the week he's going 25, so there we go. Well, I think this is going to be one of these days where I don't want to go in. I think this is going to be one of these days where I don't want to go in. But I have to. And he's on again. Again, another side hook. Oh, he's a... Oh, George hasn't even looked. Oh, nice. Nice. Again, what? What have we got here? Well, so what have we got here? Hang on. Let me see what he's done. Oh, he's got them all. He's all trebled up. There you go, got good. I think that bit there just got caught because that's what it did. Alright, so what year model is this one? This one would be like another 23, 24 or something. He's got a bit of slit in his tail, but he's going to be alright. And there he goes again. Look at him just take off. Off he goes. God, you got to love this time of year. You want it right in that mangrove spot. Where you want it. Yeah, I don't know if he's big or if he's been side hooked. Hang on. I'm going to try and... Pardon? Yeah, I've just gut hooked him. Oh, fuck. It feels like he did come off.
Did he? Oh, he's out in the bush.
So another 20.
Yeah.
And just sit it.
I hit the tree.
Oh, I hit the tree?
On the very right.
Oh.
I hit a leaf.
Yep. Oh. Thanks, George. He had some curry.
That's a nice
Come back here. Oh, look at that. Right at the back of that tree. And George, I'll try and get out of your way now. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, which way are you fishing? I'm trying to turn that. I'm supposed to be turning that way, but... Alright, what have we got here? Oh well, he's hooked well. Oh. pretty sure he's going to be my best of the day. Yeah, he'll be my best of the day. Right, there you go, off he goes, beautiful. Beautiful. He would have been around that 30. Check these hooks because he was quite a brute of a fish, yep. Well, I replaced them last night with Gamakatsu hooks, so I should be fine. Yep. Yep. Oh shit. That felt like something just slipped. Oh yeah. Beautiful. I went round the corner. And oh boy, oh boy. Shit. Just bear with me here. Because right now I'm getting pushed into where I don't want to be pushed into. So, right now it is yeah, bud. Another 20 centimetre one. Oh shit. I was not expecting that. I was not even looking then. Oh, oh, he's a clean bream. Sorry, buddy, you kind of got... You hit that like a tornado, buddy. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Come on, dude. Play fair. He smacked that like a freight train. Shit. I'm gonna be wedged. He hit that like a freaking freight train. Oh, buddy, what are you? Between 15 and 20 centimetre model. Came out of nowhere. He hit that like I said, he hit that like a freight train. I'm shocked. Must have been hungry, because I was literally winding that one in when it hit. Alright, I'll be back. It's going to be interesting here because you've got the wind pushing me out and the tide pushing me in, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to just drift it like I usually do. And if that's what happens, by the way, good tip, if your trebles don't get caught, just tap the bottom of your rod, and sometimes it jigs free just like that. We're on. I can't see my line. Oh, he's got a heap of weed with him. He's not that big, it's just so much weed. Yeah. It's only like a 15-20 centimetre model again.